Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel twist, full guide. Begin by gathering flour, water, yeast, salt, and toppings, and warm the water to about 105 degrees F before mixing. I will walk you through kneading, proofing, shaping a classic twist, boiling briefly, and baking to a golden crust. Follow pacing tips, timing cues, and topping suggestions each batch. Start with simple ingredients and exact measures to build great bagel twists. Combine high-gluten flour, cold water, active dry yeast, and 2 teaspoons salt in a mixing bowl, then mix until shaggy. Knead 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic, then rest for the first rise until doubled. I'll explain how to divide, roll, and twist dough for uniform shapes and how to manage proofing times for best texture. Shaping makes the twist and controls the crumb and crust. Divide dough into equal pieces, roll each into a log, fold and twist 2 strands tightly, then seal the ends well. Boil in simmering water with 1 tablespoon sugar per quart for about 30 seconds per side, then drain and top. Bake at 425 degrees F until deep golden, rotate pans once, and cool on a rack to finish the crust and chew.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.